Goethals Bridge replacement project is back on track. Last week, we all thought the Goethals Bridge replacement project would be delayed well into 2014. This was because the United States Coast Guard still needed to review the bridge permit application from the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, which had been submitted in 2010, but they had stated that the project was not top priority. The deadline needed for approval in order for everything to be back on track was September 30th of this year. Without the approval by the end of September, the project could have been delayed. On September 20th, however, the United States Coast Guard announced that they would do everything in their power to review the permit and give their decision by Friday, September 27th. Keeping their word, the United States Coast Guard reviewed and accepted the permit on Wednesday, September 25th.